Man, look at that chrome. Look at that chrome. Wow. 46 Chevy. From Ophir, Oregon. O-P-H-I-R, Oregon. How you doing? Nice truck.
Oh, thank you.
Is that chest full of gold bars?
I wish.
Yeah, me too, yeah.
Full of play money. That's the best I could do.
There you go. Well, have a good day.
You too.
Beautiful truck.
It's a deer with headlights. I said it's a deer with headlights.